I'm waiting for you at home. I'm waiting for you at home.
Hey, James, where are you now? Hey, James, where are you now? Why didn't you answer my call earlier?
Sorry, my phone was in my pocket. I didn't hear it ring.
Oh, okay. I was worried.
Don't worry, I'm fine. Don't worry, I'm fine.
Are you close to the market? Are you close to the market?
Not yet, but I'm walking fast. Not yet, but I'm walking fast.
Please be careful on the road. Please be careful on the road.
I will. I'm watching the traffic. Did you need anything else from the store? Did you need anything else from the store?
Yes, we need some groceries.
All right. Tell me what to buy.
First, buy 1 bottle of cooking oil.
Okay, I'm going into the grocery store now.
Ask the shopkeeper for the price first. Ask the shopkeeper for the price first.
Sure, I will ask now. Sure, I will ask now.
What did he say? What did he say?
1 bottle is $1. 1 bottle is $1.
Perfect. Buy 1 bottle. Perfect. Buy 1 bottle. Now buy 2 kilos of rice. Now buy 2 kilos of rice.
I'm checking the rice now.
Does it look fresh? Does it look fresh?
Yeah, it looks really good.
Let me show it.
Yeah, it looks really good. Yeah, it looks really good. Yeah, it looks really good.
Then take it. Then take it.
All right, I got the rice.
Next, buy some vegetables.
Which ones? Which ones? Which ones?
Tomatoes and onions. Tomatoes and onions.
Okay, I'm picking them now. Okay, I'm picking them now.
Make sure the tomatoes are fresh. Make sure the tomatoes are fresh.
They look fresh and red. They look fresh and red.
Great.
The onions look good too. The onions look good too.
Nice. We also need eggs.
How many eggs? How many eggs? How many eggs?
Buy 6 eggs. Buy 6 eggs.
All right. I'm carrying them carefully.
Good. Don't break them. Good. Don't break them. I think we need salt too. I think we need salt too.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right.
Buy one packet. Buy one packet.
Got it. Got it.
How much is everything? How much is everything?
The total is $10.
I'm paying now. I'm paying now.
Okay. Come home after that. Okay. Come home after that.
Sure. I'm leaving the market now.
I'm waiting for you at home. I'm waiting for you at home.
I'll be there soon. I'll be there soon.
Walk safely. Walk safely. Are you close to home now? Are you close to home now?
Yeah, I'm near the house. Yeah, I'm near the house.
Great. I made coffee for you. Great. I made coffee for you.
Really? That sounds amazing. Really? That sounds amazing.
You worked hard today. You worked hard today.
Thanks, Lily. Thanks, Lily.
Hurry up. Your coffee is getting cold.
I'm almost there. I'm almost there.
Finally, I'm home.
Perfect. You bought everything.